I just found a brand new AI video agent that not only creates videos for you, but can edit them for you in seconds. You simply describe in plain English exactly what you want to create, and boom, it goes off and it does it for you. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what this tool is, how it works, and some crazy use cases that this now unlocks. Now, that AI tool that I'm talking about is going to be Flova AI, because now everybody can be a director with Flova and anybody can create AI videos, because this is the world's first all-in-one video agent. And it's not just a tool, it's a full AI production team that you can actually collaborate. Now you can create cinematic creations through just conversation in plain English. For example, if we click on this preset right here, this will automatically put a prompt in here, and we could see that from here, we can add in text. We could add in video, we could add in audio, we could add in images. We'll be able to access all of the different models here. So we have all of the image models, all of the video models, all of the music models, all of the narration models. In addition to that, you're able to actually access different skills right here, which allow you to do some pretty incredible things, and it basically just brings structure to what you're creating. In addition to that, you can create different elements over here. So if we come over in elements, we could see that we could create our own, or we could see ones that are already created. If we click on create, we could just describe the idea in the chat, and then this will actually go through and create what we want. For example, let's say I wanted to create a friendly lion. I'm actually going to click friendly lion right here, and then this is going to go through, and this is actually going to develop and create this character for me that I can now put in all of the content I create. Okay, now this has literally gone through. This is a script here. This has created a storyboard. And then what this is going to do is this is actually going to create this friendly lion character right here. We can see that this is now going through and this is generating the visual assets. What I really like about this is it didn't just go through and create what we wanted. It literally went through and designed everything about it. How it should feel, how it should look, what the core concept is, what it's going to be used for. So this feels a lot more alive. So now that this is created, we could actually see the portrait that was created right here. We could zoom in, we could see what this looks like. In addition to that, we could actually come over here, we could delete it, we could download it, we could like it, we could regenerate it, we could edit it, or we could reply to this and get it to change things. But now that we've gone through and we've created that character, I wanted to create kind of an origination story for him. So I'm going to come over here into projects. We're going to click on create new right here, and we're going to be able to use our AI assistant to actually do that. I'm going to come over here under elements. We're going to grab this lion right here, and we're going to say, please create the creation story for our character, the lion. He was born out of a deep struggle in the desert, which he barely remembers, but he keeps having flashbacks of. Now, again, we could use skills here if we wanted to, but I'm not personally going to use these for this. We're going to click in right here, and now this is going to go through, and this is going to help us actually walk through everything with this. And what you're going to notice about this is this isn't just creating a video. This isn't just editing a video. This is actually going through the entire process. We could see that this actually gives us a fully controllable workflow right here. For example, this is generating a creative brief where we have our project name, we have the video type, we have the target audience, we have the output language, we have the video duration right here, and we could actually come through and we could change this and we could choose this. For this, I'm going to do 60 seconds. And then we could go to the next page, or we could accept all, and you could see just how important this is. This literally goes through everything that you could ever imagine. And then what you end up getting out of that is a multi-step intelligent agent that can support complex multi-step generations while keeping the full creative control in your hands, because this actually gives you way more creative control, because you can actually choose every single thing that is going to be going through with the tonality, what it's going to look like, all of this. But for the sake of this, I'm going to click on accept all right here. And now this is going to continue to actually work through this. So now it's going through, it's actually scripting this out. And one of the things that I did want to emphasize with this is it gives us intelligent visual consistency. If you used other AI tools before in order to create or edit videos, the number one problem that you're going to have is visual consistency, but you don't have that problem with this tool because it goes through this step-by-step process, and we could choose all of these different elements. And now this is actually going through and this is scripting this out. Okay, so I've gone through, I've actually read through this. We could see that we could continue with pause at key checkpoints. We could execute the entire process at once. And what I'm going to say is go ahead and execute the process. Now, what this is really emphasizing is that I still have full control over this, and I can change anything that I want, which we're going to see both in the storyboard and in the timeline when this creates this. So we can see that this is now going to go through. This is going to do the storyboard creation. This is going to do the visual strategy design. It's going to actually do the visual asset creation, and it's going to pause after that so we can actually review it and confirm that we like the direction that this is going to go in before it actually completes this. And the greatest part about this is that it actually has parallel creation. So we're not going to be sitting here for half an hour waiting for this to get spun up. It's going to be making all these different elements at the same time so that we get our results a lot quicker. So we could see now that the storyboard is actually created. We could see that we have this right here. We could see all of the different segments. We could see all the different shots and everything that's actually going into the storyboard right here, the narration, the music. We have it all from one place and all of it in one place. Now this is going through and generating the visual generation path strategy, and then it's actually going to create the video for us. And look at this. This is literally going through and using multiple different things. For example, it's going to design the lion in a younger version. It's going to use Nano Banana Pro. It's going to set the scene for every shot using Nano Banana Pro. It's going to animate and add emotions. It's going to use Dance 1.5 for this. And again, if we wanted to, we could actually control what it's going to use and we could change everything. But now is going through and this is generating all of this. Okay, so now that this is actually done, we could see that this has literally gone through and this has done everything, and this is going to be our rough cut. Now, if we want to fine tune the timing and volume, we could actually go through and we could do that, and this could adjust it for us if we just tell it to adjust those things. In addition to that, we could also add in these final touches manually if we wanted to, and we could then export the final version. Now, in terms of actually exporting it, we would just come over here and we could see that we could export all the files, the PR file or the video file, however we want. Okay, so let's actually check out what this looks like. I'm going to make this full screen right here. We can see that we have the audio right here. We have the emotional score, which is going to be the music right here. And then we also have these clips. So let's check this out.
He is soft now, safe, a creature built for quiet afternoons and gentle hugs. But some memories are carved in the sand, refusing to blow away. He barely remembers the heat, the endless, blinding white, the days his spirit almost fractured in the great expanse. He doesn't remember how he was saved, only the feeling of fighting for one more step. And the gentle grace that finally found him.
Now this is incredible. The audio, great. The music, great. Even the sounds, the transitions. I can't believe that AI is actually able to make stuff like this. Now, before I walk you through the crazy use cases that you could use with this tool, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Flova AI today, because it's now open to everybody with no invite codes and no waitlist. So you could go below right now and register and start using it instantly. Now, use case number one that I want to show you for this is how you could actually get this to create your content. In order to do that, you would turn an element, you would create yourself as a character, and we can see that that's what was done with this old man in this example right here. We could actually click into this, see exactly how this was created. It was made with VO3, it was made with Dance 1.0 Pro, and we could see the creation process right here, or we could actually watch and see what this actually looks like. So I want to give you a little preview here.
I have a lifetime of stories. Flova lets me just talk and turns them into videos. It's like magic.
I can make cartoons about my toys. I just tell Flova what happens, and poof, it's a real movie.
My visions are complex. Flova understands the abstract. It translates my wildest ideas into visuals I could never create on my own.
We used to have thousands of photos just sitting on our phones.
Yeah.
Now, Flova turns our adventures into beautiful video diaries we can share.
I have a feature film in my head, but no budget. Flova is my crew, my editor, my VFX team. It lets me direct, not just dream. My followers want new.
So this is incredible. We have this character here. Again, you could turn yourself into a character. You could use this to actually create content. We could actually go through and view the creation process right here, where we could see everything that was actually used right here, all the different prompts, all the different back and forth, the storyboard, and we could see the timeline down here, whether we have the music, where we have the voiceover, where we have the video, and if we wanted to, we would be able to edit all of this. So this gives you full creative control over your AI avatar, the script that's being used, the storyboard that's being used, the models that are being used, and even the editing. That was just the first use case, because the next use case we could also find under Flova TV right here, which is going to be that you could actually create things for other people. For example, let's say that somebody was trying to promote a product, or they were trying to promote a game, or they were trying to do something. You could actually get them to actually create stuff. So let's say that there was a game that you wanted to be able to promote. Look at this right here. We have a game demonstration video. And if we come over here and click into it, we could see that this has literally gone through and this has created this promotion right here for this video game. Because again, this gives you access to all these different models, all these different skills, all these different elements, and you can use it to create your own content. You can use it to create content or create ads or create things on the behalf of others, or you could also use this in order to literally have your wildest dreams come to life. Again, if we come down here, we could see that, for example, this right here actually went through and created this right here, which is going to be like a short story of this little blue penguin, episode 1, the snowball adventure. So you could literally use this to create your own TV show, your own animation, and this is insane. Let's check this out. I cannot believe how real this looks. And again, if we come over here into view creation process, we can literally see everything that was done. In order to actually go through and create this, you could edit this however you want, and this gives you full creative control to be able to do all of this. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest check out this video right here that shows you 5 other AI tools that I personally use every single day. If that sounds interesting, check it out right here.